Jack, you can see Mayon Volcano, such a majestic sight. It's so scenic here. That's why kailangan natin talagang isama to. Yung mga mahilig talaga sa mga biking ng going to places, leisure biking, this should be in your bucket list, Legazpi City. Okay? If you have time and if you're planning to go here to Legazpi, I would suggest na at least minimum of 3 days, okay? Para magkaroon kayo ng, like day 1, you can take the bus or the plane or mag-long drive kayo. Day 1, you can just roam around the city, itong pinuntahan natin. And day 2, you experience yung Mayon 360. It's a loop around Mayon Volcano. That's about 83 kilometers. Maraming bayan kayo madadaanan. And yung day 3 nyo, pwede kayo mag-long ride going to Sorsogon, another very nice and beautiful province, very scenic also. So ayun, eto na tayo sa